Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Microsoft To Do. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to to-do.office.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to your personal task lists and all the collaboration features you'll need to assign tasks to other people. After logging in, you'll see your workspace with various lists displayed on the left side of your screen. Click on any list where you want to start assigning tasks to team members. This could be a work project list, a shared household list, or any other collaborative list you've created. Now, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a group icon or a share button located there. Click on this icon to open the sharing options. This step is crucial because Microsoft To Do requires you to share your list with others before you can assign any tasks to them. Essentially, you're inviting people to become members of your list so they can view, edit, and be assigned specific tasks. In the sharing window that appears, you'll need to invite others to join your list. Enter their email addresses and send out the invitations. Keep in mind that you must have members added to your list before the assign feature becomes available. Without at least one other person on your list, the assignment option simply won't work. Once you've sent the invitations, the recipients will receive an email notification asking them to join your shared list. After your invitations are sent and accepted by the members, you can close the sharing window. You'll need to wait for them to accept before you can proceed with assigning tasks, so this might take a few moments depending on how quickly they respond. Once they've accepted, you're ready to start delegating work. Now, click on any task within your shared list that you want to assign to someone. This will open the task details panel on the right side of your screen, showing you all the available options for that particular task. On the right panel, look for the Assign To option. This feature allows you to designate specific team members to handle particular tasks, making collaboration much more organized and ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. Click on Assign To and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with all the members who have access to this list. From the drop-down menu, simply click on the name of the member you want to assign this task to. Once you select their name, the assignment is complete. They'll receive a notification about their new task, and it will appear in their Microsoft To Do app with a clear indication that it's been assigned to them. And that's it. You've now set up task assignments in Microsoft To Do, making it easy to collaborate and delegate work efficiently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.